How to mute a YouTube video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to www.youtube.com. You will then be taken to the YouTube homepage. Here, you can explore and watch YouTube videos. Now, go to the search bar and type in the name of the song or artist you're looking for. For example, Drake. Scroll down and open any video from the results. After that, tap on the icon in the search bar below as shown. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Request Desktop Website. You will now be taken to the desktop version of YouTube. On this page, tap on the volume icon below the video to mute it. You have now successfully muted this video. Following these steps, you can easily mute a YouTube video on iPhone.